Hi, I want to show you how to turn RCS chats on or off on Google Pixel 9a. So for that, we need to start by opening Google Messages. Here, I'm just going to tap to continue. And now you need to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. After that, go in Messages Settings and find RCS chats. Now they are turned off because all of the features are unavailable, as you can see. And to turn on, we need to toggle on the switch right here, just like that. After that, you should see your phone number as well as network provider and status connected. And additionally, you can enable or disable those features such as send read receipts, show typing indicators, automatically resend as text. So if the dot is in the left position, then it is disabled. If in the right position, then enabled. Now, if you decide to turn off RCS chats, then toggle off the switch and you will see this warning that those features will be not available if you turn off RCS. And additionally, you will be removed from all such groups after 30 days. And you won't be able to message with Wi-Fi or data. So if you want to turn it off, just tap on the same option. And now they are off. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye-bye.